Okay, so in this video, I'll be going over the analytics, the wiki analytics for March. Now, the thing is, since I know last month was February, I mean, 2 months ago was February, but it was 28 days, so that messes up basically. As you can see here, it only shows up to 3/2 to 3/31 because March was only 28 days. Hopefully I don't have the problem next year because next year is leap year. That's 29 days instead of 28. So those are the number of page views, total page views, following page views. That includes wiki pages and discussion page views. So 6,885 from March 2nd to March 31st. So it means this is only one video basically. This was generated a day ago, and here's the page views, wiki pages views, 6,848 from March 2nd to March 30th. And these are discussion page views, 37 from March 2nd to March 30th. Not a lot. And here are the internal top search terms. Try and adjust the camera angle. There we go. Navigation. What's for navigation? That basically refers to what you see on the top of the screen right here. That's the navigation. Specifically, media wiki navigation. Discord. This Demon Accords Wiki has Discord server. Nikki, one of the main characters of the series. Executable, the name of one of the novels. Demon Accords, the title of the series. Darken, what vampires call themselves. Greener, one of the main characters. Spoiler alert, was, she's now deceased. Darth Vader, a Star Wars character that was mentioned in the Demon Accords series. Omega, one of the main characters of the Demon Accords series, Kristen Anthony Gordon, also the main character of the Demon Accords series, and that's his full name right there. So those are the views in geolocation. Most of the views came from the US, UK being second, Australia being third, and the other views are Germany, Canada, Italy, France, Japan, Brazil, and Czechia. So people from those countries are now aware of the Demon Accords series, specifically from I'm referring to Australia all the way to Czechia. I'm probably mispronouncing that name, I'm not sure though. Top view pages. These are the pages on the Demon Accords Wiki with the most views. So Chris Gordon, the main character of the Demon Accords series. Declan O'Carroll, one of the main characters of the Demon Accords series. Main page, which is actually basically, if you click on this right here, that brings you to the main page. So I basically changed it from, this used to be Demon Accords Wiki, but then I changed it to the main page so I can create a Demon Accords Wiki page. Kind of like how I think Halo has one for their wiki. I know Harry Potter has one, and Star Wars also has one, but it's called Wikipedia. And Demon Accords series, that's where you can find information about the series. Agent Reaper Scourge rifle, that's basically one of the rifles made by the Agents of Reapers, a organization in the Demon Accords series. Disappeared, I think, only once in the entire series, back in the Donation novel. Tatiana Moda, one of the main characters of the Demon Accords series, the main character, along with Chris. Category characters, that's where you can find all the characters of the series. Chronology of Demon Accords. Basically, I'm creating a chronology page, but I'm also creating a timeline page because to basically track all the stuff that happened. Of course, it's going to be kind of difficult because I'm basing it out of other chronology pages I see on the wikis, fandom wikis. I know Star Wars, I think, has one. The DCU, I think, has one. The MCU has one. Not sure about Harry Potter. Supernatural does have one. And it's kind of difficult to create this one, the chronology of Demon Accords series, because I went to multiple wikis, and some chronology pages look like timeline pages, and some timeline pages look like chronology pages. It's kind of hard to how to create one. Demon Accords Wiki, that's the main page. not the main page, was the main page. So as you can see, that's basically where you can find information about the Demon Accords series. Demon Accords Wiki. Okay, and then on to most visited files. That's the site logo, which is what that's basically referring to this image right here. New project for Demon Accords JPEG WP favicon. So that's referring to Wikipedia image for external pages that have a Wikipedia article. Bloodco, that's for the cover of Bloodco novel. Chris Alt, that's basically what a final image, well, not really a final image, more of an edited image of a real life portion of it Chris could look like in real life. It's based off of Vincent Sant, I think his name is. Tanya, real life, and that's I think AI generated artwork. Katrina Westing, that's actually from the Dark and Night novel, because the Dark and Night novel, the Dark and Night serial was turned into a novel, well, a prequel. It was turned from a serial to a prequel. So, and Katrina Westing appeared on the cover art, so I cropped it for the page for Katrina Westing. That's the full cover. If I remember correctly, I got that from John Connery's website, Draco. That's basically image of Draco, the golem/elemental created by Declan. Actually, to be more specific than that, it's basically the golem that was created by Declan that became inhabited by air elemental. And here are desktop versus mobile sections. Mobile, desktop, tablet. So that's mobile. That's mobile. This is desktop. That's tablet. So I mostly do desktop and mobile. Yeah, so. And then browser sensor takedown. I was going to say something else, but I'm actually going to save that for the news article, basically. The news video I'll be doing next. Browser sessions takedown. So as you can see, mostly idle. Some Chrome. And then Safari. Now this could be what Microsoft Edge, Bing, DuckDuckGo. What else? Safari, Firefox, any number of things. Now these are the number of edits per day. As you can see, some days, most of these are, if not, most of these are mine. I would say 99% of these are mine. That goes from, okay, so this is a bit weird. See, it goes from March 1st, as you can see here, all the way to March 31st, which is the correct date, is what this is supposed to look like. But as you can see, this goes from March 2nd to March 31st, and then this one goes from March 2nd to March 30th. It's a bit different. All hell, family members are now home, so that's going to mess up my video, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, so on to the next thing. So I think I'll talk about this one. March 1st to January 21st. 99% of those edits are mine. Then over here, as you can see here, logged in versus logged out edits. As you can see, every one of these edits are logged in, but a single logged out edit from March 1st to March 21st. And then onto returning visitors. So you can see we have new visitors and with first returning visitors based off that 30 days. Every visitor, as you can see here, is 18, which means 100% returning visitors. No new visitors at all. So that's going to be the end of this video. So next thing I'll be working on is the news video, which I'll try to get started up as quickly as possible. So until next time, new Demon Accords fans, see you then.